Unlike Facebook or Twitter, resharing content on Instagram can be pretty challenging. That said, the app does offer a way for you to share your friends' stories in your story, and vice versa. But even this comes with a catch. Here's the thing, you can't share anyone's story in your own story. At this time, Instagram only allows users to add a friend's story if it's both public and they're tagged in it. If either of those qualifications aren't met, you or your friend won't be able to share the photo or video story. If you want your friends to be able to share your story, you'll need to tag them first. To start, take a picture or video as you usually would in the Stories camera. Tap on the screen, then @mention them by tapping @ followed by the username. You can also tap the AA icon to open the text editor. Aside from using the text tool, you can tap on the sticker icon and choose the @mention sticker to make the tag more stylish. The text tool and sticker methods have the same outcome, only with aesthetic differences. A simple @mention with text allows you to choose a font, resize it, add a background on some, justify the text on some, and adjust the font color. Using the @mention sticker offers 3 different visual styles to choose from only. Both methods, however, let you shrink, enlarge, rotate, and move the tags anywhere on the screen. With both options, Instagram will present relevant friend accounts along the bottom of the screen as you type your username. You can tap an account here to quickly autofill the tag. Once you're tagged in a story, Instagram will send you a notification. Tap it. Alternatively, go to your direct inbox on Instagram by tapping the paper airplane icon in the top right of the app's homepage. Then tap the direct message with the person who tagged you. It should be the first one if you were just tagged, and it should contain an option inside the message to add this to your story. Tap Add this to your story, and your friend's story will appear with a thick border around it. Here, you can resize the post, add text, stickers, drawings, and more. Basically anything you could do if it were your own post. The only thing you can't do is edit the original content of the story. When you're done, send it to your own story, where it will stay for 24 hours. When your followers watch your story, they will see the original poster's username at the top. They can also long press on the story to view a tappable tag to that friend's page. While stories only last for 24 hours before disappearing, you and other users can post them as profile highlights, where the post will remain until taken down manually. Both you and your friends can do this, so keep that in mind before tagging a friend in a story.